Hello, I'm George from BitNinja, and in this video I will demonstrate you how BitNinja DoS detection works. For this I will use two virtual machines, a victim, and you can see here the load average and the running processes of the victim server, and an attacker that I will use to attack the victim. I can reach the victim server from the attacker by I can ping it like this, and I can also reach it by HTTP. Okay, so I will use the Apache benchmark tool to simulate this attack against the victim server. Let's see what happens when I start to attack the victim server. As you can see, all the processors start to work really hard, and a lot of Apache processes start to work to serve the attack attempts. And at the same time, the load average is increasing quite fast. This is just the same that you can experience when there's a DoS attack against your server, and that's a very bad thing, because all the web pages are starting to load very slow, and all your clients will complain about what happened with the server. But BitNinja can detect this kind of attacks and automatically avoid them and stop them. Okay, now I stop the attack, and as you can see, all the processors stop to work on the requests, and also the 1 minute load average is started to falling down back to normal, but it needs roughly 1 minute to get back to about 0. So now I will prepare BitNinja. I will start BitNinja, and of course you can start it in the background in the most cases, but for the demonstration I rather start it in a kind of interactive mode where you can see all the logs. It needs about 30 seconds to boot up, and the most important part is the gray list to be loaded, because after it have been loaded, the protection is active. It doesn't need much time. At the same time, I can prepare the attacker and the environment for the test. So I will let's see, I will reset the environment by adding and removing the attacker's IP to the BitNinja gray list, and this way I can make sure that BitNinja is not blocking the attacker for the test simulate and for the detection to show you. So now I can ping the victim. Okay, and I can also reach it by HTTP. Excellent. So let's attack. Okay, the load average is back to normal almost. Maybe we can wait some more time, but it's okay now. So now I can simulate an attack again against the victim server. Let's see what happens and how BitNinja can detect this DoS attack. Okay, the DoS started. As you can see, all the processors start to work again really hard, and a lot of Apache threads also opened. But BitNinja detected this DoS attack, and it will block it almost immediately. as you can see, it adds it to the gray list and then to the blacklist as well. So soon the load will fall back down. Yeah, here you can see all the processors are stopped working on the attacking requests, and also the load average went a bit high, but it didn't took too much, just like 20 seconds, and now it's falling back to normal. But the DoS attack is still on the way, so it still tries to attack. But of course Apache benchmark will stop because it will time out, because now we cannot connect to the victim as it is protected, and we cannot connect by HTTP as well. No connection. So when BitNinja detected the DoS, it put it to the blacklist, but now after 1 minute have passed, it moved to the gray list, the lighter protection level. So now we can connect to the victim again, but we cannot see the original content, only a special page for validating if it's a human or it's a robot. So in a normal browser a captcha would appear here, but of course this is not a normal browser, just a console based one, so you cannot see much. So that's how BitNinja DoS detection works in a nutshell. Thank you for watching.